Use tweezers to remove the screw rubber plug and the reflective sticker. Use a 3mm hex key to unscrew two screws that fix the rear fork trim. Use a 2.5mm hex key to unscrew two screws that fix the rear surround. Tear the foot mat. Use a crosshead screwdriver to unscrew two screws that fix the rear spoiler. Use a crosshead screwdriver to unscrew the two screws at the bottom that fix the rear spoiler. Remove the rear spoiler. Use a 4mm hex key in conjunction with a 10mm open-ended wrench to remove the shock absorber fixing nut. Take out the screw. Repeat the same operation to take out the screw below. Remove the shock absorber. Pass the lower shaft sleeve through the swing armhole. Place a nylon washer on each side, left and right. Put the shaft sleeve into the upper hole of the shock absorber. Place a nylon washer on each side, left and right. Install the shock absorber. Compare the lengths of the two screws. The longer one is the upper screw. Apply thread locking adhesive to the screw. Insert it through the upper hole of the shock absorber. Screw on the nut. Apply thread locking adhesive to the other screw. Insert it through the lower hole of the shock absorber. Screw on the nut. Use a wrench to tighten the two nuts. Install the rear spoiler. Tighten the fixing screws. Put the floor mat in place properly. Screw in the two fixing screws at the bottom. Reinstall the rear surround. Screw in the two fixing screws. Install the rear fork decorative parts. Screw in the two fixing screws. Reinstall the screw rubber plugs. Reattach the reflective stickers.